Yeah, hi, evening Glenn, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for your jukebox. It's all working perfectly without any slips or any skips. So you can see that there, that's the 30th of the 7th 19, that's your jukebox laser there, what you sent me. I've given it a good check over. There don't seem to be anything wrong with it. It has had a lot of play in it. It looks to me like it could have been in a club or a pub at some stage because there's a bit of smoke on it. But nothing too bad. So yeah, let me just turn that up for you. And you can see it. Well, you can listen to it coming out of the speaker. You have to forgive the tape on the top because that holds it in, because I haven't got a clamper there, obviously. So yeah, that's all good. I'll just turn it off for you. Right, so that's turned off now. I'm going to turn it back on for you, and then you can see that all coming up and start playing again, as it should. Let's just turn it up. So yeah, I've had it on for quite a few hours on the test run for you, and like I said, it's shown no errors. You've got a 6-month warranty on the part. My labour, so that's obviously just for the laser. If there's any other problems, obviously we don't cover that, but I have given it a good look over and a service basically. I've cleaned all the cogs. I actually take them off and clean them out with a toothbrush and get rid of any of the black crap on there and things that stop it from spinning and stuff. So you shouldn't get any more issues with this for a long time anyway, but it's there if you need it. I really appreciate your business, Glenn, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks very much.